Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live session, I will show you the live performance of Bank Nifty future. And as you can see, market went down. It's a sudden moment, and you can see this is all real time. Means we are using this real time data. So if you whatever chart you are adding now, it will show the real time market value. You can see currently the market value is showing Bank Nifty current market value is 37,568.60, and you can see this white vertical line that is a daybreak line. So today's day start from here. So you can see in the first signal, you can see this red down arrow, that is our sell signal, and green one is the buy signal. So it's all automatic. Soft gives automatic signals, the target, stop loss, re-entry suggestion, that resistance support level, that sideway indication. So all gives, it's full automatic. So manually we have to follow the confirmation. We have to only follow the confirmation. So software gives signal, we have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. So checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. I will explain. Before the video, if you are interested to know more about our product WinTrader, and if you are interested to purchase the software, or if you want to check the live demonstration, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and my number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApping this number, is official number. You can contact me. Even Saturday and Sunday, you can directly contact me through call or WhatsApp. And our back details, like our website details, all mentioned in the above description box. And you can check that also. And in our website, www.wintradersoft.com, there is a reviews pages there. Don't forget to check our reviews page. So let's check our that live demo. This is a Bank Nifty chart. As I told, this is a Bank Nifty live, and you can see that we already got a that is sell signal. Red down as a sell signal, and you can see whenever software generates a sell signal or buy signal, at the same time there are alert. That is an alert message will display in your screen with the sound effect. So in this alert message, you will get the entry point at what level you have to buy or sell. It in entry point will get in the alert message. The same details also mentioned in the above dashboard. In this today's sell signal, we got at 37,991.60. You can see the 37,991.60, and the time is 11, and currently we are in profit of 451 points, and all target has been achieved. But before taking the this signal, you have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. So confirmation means if it is a sell signal, the first confirmation it will show here like a price in sales, and that is the first confirmation. And second confirmation, on below this arrow, you can see there is a small bar is there, that is our confirmation bar. Check my cursor. This is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is sell signal, it should be in red color. So these two confirmations are okay. Then you can directly take your position. Take the position in your whatever trading platform you are using. You can take the position in your trading platform. You can open our software and your trading platform. And our software is working with the real time. So whenever software generates a signal, just check the confirmation. If the signal confirmation is there, then directly you can just open your trading terminal, and you can execute the trading in your terminal. So the following is this is very simple strategy. There is no prediction. It's working with the real time. So whatever the market condition are, the same you can check it in our software. And our software support all major financial market. With one software, you'll get the signal from MCX, NSE cash future options currencies, Agri, COMEX, and FOREX. And as I told, it's all working with the real time. You can use it for scalping trading, intraday trading, and swing trading. So we'll give a training session for that. Means if you are interested to purchase the software after checking the demo, if you are interested to purchase the software, we'll install the software within 10 minutes in your system through that desktop sharing software. And after that, we'll give a training session also how to use the signal, how to use the software, all giving a training section. After that, if you are if you need any kind of support, or if there is any doubt, you can directly contact me. And this number that is this is our official number only. You can directly contact to my through phone, or there is a in our website, there is official chart is there. You can directly come to that chart also. We are giving a lifetime support, and the charge we are charging only one time payment. Updations are free for our customers, and technical support will be there. So this is our latest version, running version 8.1, and with this version we will get a one scanner also, scanner 1.2, and we will release our new version soon. So that's it all. It's just a one-time payment only. Updations are free for customers. We are not charging anything anything extra from our customers. And this strategy is very simple. and you can see there's a blue stars are there, that is a support level. So it's already break the support and went down, and right now it's slightly going up. You can see this red stars are the resistance level. So if it is break the resistance, then definitely market will go up. So it's all features are there, like if whenever software generates signal, the alert will come with the sound effect, and if you miss the fresh entry, software gives a re-entry suggestion also, re-entry with the new will get a new entry and a new target also, and the stop loss software giving is a trading stop loss and resistance support levels, sideways indication, all features in one software, and it support all major market, financial market. So if you are interested to know, or if you are interested to check live demo by yourself, you can directly contact me, and thank you for watching my video.